matches with the froggy ring. Ta-da! This is the jacket. If you look closer to it, there are real pearls. And I just feel like this is my very unique Iris Apfel cross H&M. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Vian. I have a special guest. Melody, say hello to everybody.
Hello.
You know, April is a very special month. We have Easter, and today the unboxing is with a very special collection presented by H&M Cross Iris Apfel. And if you don't know who Iris Apfel is, you may see that on the screen. She looks just amazing. And this collection is the celebration of 100 years of style from H&M. To me, Iris is like a fashion icon because all the colors and the materials and the combination she used with her creation and fashion, you know, materials and the pieces are just like my style. But I would say she is the most creative fashion icon in this entire planet. And also she is one of my fashion icons and idol. There are three different sections for this collection to me. We have this whole lot, they are the jewelries, and these ones are for the footwear, and also at the back you will see the women wear pieces. And you know what? This is a special edition launch in Australia only for a particular day, and everything was sold out online and offline just in an hour. It's all gone. You can't buy anything from anywhere, but that's why we have this video to share with you. All right, let's start with jewelries first, shall we? Now, the first box is a bangle. And the box is just amazing, very colorful, and with the iconic Iris Apfel at the front. Melody, what do you think this is? What animal is this? Do you want to touch it? Do you like it?
It's cheetah.
Ah, is it? Yeah? Do you think this is a very nice piece? When you think mommy should wear it? Where? Go for a party, or you think I can wear that for a concert?
A concert and a party.
But it's too heavy, maybe a party, okay? All right, next item. We have this very special ring. And this is one of the icon for this collection. Yeah, it's a froggy. And it has got these crystals, huge crystals in the middle. It's very nice, is it?
I like it.
Next one, what do we have? Oh my goodness, this is, by the way, this is clip-on. All right, this is clip-on. And you have got the beans in it, right? And it's long, and it's clip-on. I can't wait to wear it.
They'll think it's pretty.
Yeah, it is pretty. All right, this is another pair. Look! It matches with the froggy ring, and mommy has got this froggy earrings, and it's so sparkly, is it? It's huge. And also this is clip-on. Okay? Perfect. All right. Now this is a very special ring I want to share with you. What do you think?
It's a person.
Oh, it's a person with glasses, sparkling glasses on it. It's very iconic. You might know that I wear lots of rings, and this is a ring that definitely for fashion, but it's something that like a statement piece, I have to say. And the price is very friendly as well. It's under $100. All right, next one. Wow, what is this? This is collection. For this collection, this is a bracelet, but it has got, what is this? We got the froggy, different balls, right? Yeah. We also have got the iconic ring we have seen before, right? What is this one?
I think it is an ant.
Ah, it is an ant. You're very good. Alright, we got 2 necklaces. That's the last 2 items. And I was thinking maybe Melody and I can both open it and show you. I'm gonna help you. Wow, do you wanna put like this?
I want to hold that one.
Okay, that's my favorite actually. It matches with the earrings. Okay? Alright, what do you have, Melody?
A frog.
Okay, froggy. And how about the color? What are you thinking about the color?
Orange.
Yeah, it's so bright, right?
Yeah.
Do you think mommy will like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, mommy can wear that for the concert, right?
Yeah.
How about this? Who gonna wear this?
That looks funny.
When kids saying it's funny, I guess it's just because of this is really out of beyond what they're thinking about fashion. And I guess Iris putting into this design is using something like very standing out and with the color and contrast with the style. And
I wish I could play with the ball.
oh, that's good. Yeah, the ball can be something like motion and moving with movement.
We can play it like in one.
Good. All right. Just imagine you wear that. All right. This is everything for the jewelries. Now, time for the shoes. Now, before we do the shoes, I want to share with you.
That's
Iris,
the leggings.
Yeah, Iris has got this set of leggings, and it's just amazing. It has got 100 years of style. So this is their slogan. Yes, and it comes with 2 colors, which is just my favorite colors because it's easy to matchy with clothes and everything. So this is the leggings I want to share with you.
Matching.
We have got 2 pairs of shoes from this collection. We're very lucky because it's all sold out now. Melody, what color do you have? You got left foot? Okay, we just need to get 1 foot. 1 foot is enough.
They're the same.
Yeah, they are the same. Do you want to hold like this?
I want to see.
You want to see? Look, what's on the top of it?
You
got froggy.
And that's ant.
Yes, that's correct. Do you want to wear it?
I don't know.
This is amazing, is it? So right foot I have got the ant and left foot I have got the froggy. And I just feel like this is my very unique Iris Apfel cross H&M wearing the way. So this is my way. And look at Melody. Very good. What do you think? Which pair do you prefer, or you prefer to wear them at the same time, Melody?
Red is in the same.
Oh, that's very good. Good on you. All right. All right. The last section we're gonna unbox for you is the clothing section, which is something that you can wear every day, right? Now, the most iconic piece is here. Ta-da! This is the jacket. If you look closer to it, there are real pearls everywhere. And look at the detail, it's just amazing. Also, it's also within, you can see the 100 years of style.
Wow.
The embodied. See that?
I can see the numbers.
Yeah, so this jacket is was sold out just in maybe 10 minutes or 20. And the other pieces, they're all very colorful, such as this orange-ish dress. I think I'm gonna give it to my mom because this is something that can hide their figure and looks very slim. This is a very nice piece. And apart from that, this is something that I think I'm going to wear for my concert because it has got the entire design.
Lots of colors.
There are lots of colors, just like what Melody says. And it's very long, so if I wear a pair of amazingly high heels, you see how long it is, right?
Yeah.
It will just make my leg super ta-da! Long. Okay.
No one can see me when you did that.
Yeah, and also she launched this swimwear I wanted to share with you. And it's really celebration of the 100 years of style. So if you open it, it has got iconic color, orange, and also has got, what's the number, Melody? 100. Yeah, it is 100 years of style. So I love this swimwear, and it's good for vacation. And this one is a very modern sort of design. This is the bottom, and it's a pair of shorts, so it's easily can match with anything, such as what Melody is opening. This is a singlet, right?
Yeah.
So Melody, you hold this. Very good, and I'm going to hold this.
What is this thing?
Oh, you just go a little bit higher. This is like this, they match. Ta-da! Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think black is the very good color that...
I like black.
Why? Why you like black?
Because it's a nice color and it's a panda's color.
Our panda's color. Can you hold it, both of your hands? Yeah. All right. Stop and don't move. Now this is a set with, this is the top and this is the bottom. And they are made by silk. I think it's good for casual or some event. So, yeah. If you come a little bit closer, and it also has got 100 years of style at the back of it. It's just everywhere. It's a celebration, I think, really. Okay, all right. Now, our next piece, they are actually pants. So this is the matching pants with this jacket, if you look at that. Yes, and this pant, it doesn't have got perils on it, but it has got all those beans. And I think you can also match with this pair of pants as well, with this jacket. I think it's a good mix and match with the color contrast. And this one clearly has 100 years of style. Yeah. And next one is a very, very cute combination. Like, can you wait? Thank you. Melody is always like, can I see? Can I see? Amazing. All right, since Melody is doing a great job, I'm going to open this up and share with you how the top looks like. What are you doing, Melody? My special assistant for the unboxing, yeah? Because it's school holiday. All right, so here is the top.
You break it.
Look, it is very nice. I like those details, the fringy one.
You want me to open?
No, you don't have to.
Why can that open?
No, it's okay. And it matches with this pants. All right, good job. All right, last one I wanted to share with you is here. Right? This is super good for winter, I have to say. Yeah? And this is the jacket. If you look at inside, it has got the design from Iris Apfel, right?
I like it.
It has got forest. Oh, how do you feel?
It's really good. I like it.
Why?
Because it's
How about you wear
comfy.
it? Wow.
This is a really big thing.
I feel like that little Melody is in the forest. Yeah? Do you think you are in the forest?
Yeah.
How do you feel? Do you feel warm? Yeah, I think this kind of jacket is very good for winter. You can just wear with anything you want. And with maybe even a pair of jeans.
I like it.
Yes, and it can really change your day. And the colors is just really, you know, out of the normal sort of range. I guess the purpose of this collection is really giving this fashion icon Iris Apfel, you know, a stage and a platform to showcase and cross with H&M. Because I guess all those cross collections has got the same problem as if you buy a original or normal piece from the designer, it's too expensive. Most of the people can't really afford it. But if you're doing the cross sort of collection, everyone can afford it. But what's the problem, do you know? Well, they all sold out like in just an hour. So I'm wearing Iris Apfel cross H&M.
And me too.
Oh,
and it's a glass.
Yes, and we really wanted to share with you. We're not spending a lot of money. Now we're gonna say goodbye to all of our fans and friends. And thank you for watching
Bye-bye.
video. Bye-bye. And we will see you
tomorrow.
next time. And please don't forget to follow my socials below. And
Piano.
not just a pianist, okay? Like or share my videos to your friends and make sure that you press the bell button on the top to get all the most updates from my channels. And this is Melody, my second eldest daughter. She is 5 years old. I wish she had lots of fun with our April unboxing video. See you next time.
Bye bye. I can see you tomorrow.
Okay.